Hello! I just did my hair. It's not DIY related, but how do you like my hair? I can never get this if I work in a corporate company. So I'm glad I have this freedom to do up my hair. I like it. Anyway, let's get back into this video. Hi, my name is Astrid and this is my channel, Eclectic Vibes, where I do DIYs and sometimes tips and reviews. Hopefully, this channel can inspire you to make your own DIY. In this video, I took on a project that a friend of mine asked me to do. He has this wood slab or wood slice, and he wanted me to do some kind of like a welcome signage for the home, and it's a gift for his mom. So like many of my DIYs, this is my first time making it, and I took on that challenge and I took on that project. So I'm excited to show you my process. Let's jump right in. Here is the wood slice. I'm not sure what tree it comes from. After drying it out under the sun for a couple of days, I sanded the surface smooth. And then I went to my pad to just draw out a rough design of the finished piece. I decided on this layout. Here's a hack. To get that perfect crisp line, I painted a layer of top coat on top of the cape where the line is. Wait for it to dry and then painted the color I wanted over it. So when you pull off the cape, you have a perfect line without bleed-throughs. Then I painted the bottom half with black matte paint. While waiting for the paint to dry, I noticed tiny worms come out of the surface. Ew! This is the first time I've seen it. I tried googling it, but I can't seem to find any info. It didn't look like woodworms. The worms looked like it was suffocating. Eventually they died. Wonder if anyone has ever seen it or know about these. Let me know in the comments. I am very curious to know what worm this is. Anyways, back to the project. Now it's time to draw out the wordings. I'm not really good with freehand calligraphy, so I first printed out the letterings on paper. Then I used carbon paper to trace out the words onto the wood surface. I used paint markers to color the outline of the wordings. Once I'm done, I sealed the whole thing with my favorite matte top coat. I'll give you a link to the Shopee store that I bought online in the description below. Before I put in the flowers, I screwed in some picture hooks at the back so they would have an option to hang it. Now the fun part, I put in the artificial plants to add in some 3D element. I used lots and lots of glue gun to ensure that it is secure. And voila, it is done. So what do you guys think? Overall, I think this is a fun and easy project to do. It's a really lovely piece of decor for the home, welcoming your guest to the home. I really enjoyed making it. It's very easy. And my friend's mom also loved it, so that's thumbs up. I mean, if you guys think this is a nice project and you like how it turned out, then give me a thumbs up and I would really appreciate that. If you like to see more of my DIYs and projects that I've made, go subscribe to this channel, hit that notification bell so you'll get notified of new videos. Or in the meantime, you can go check out my Instagram page, ev.eclectic vibes. That's where all the magic happens. Now go check out the other video that I did where I made a pregnant belly cast. Thank you guys for watching. Till then, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!